So,
Yes, you're next.
please let me know the numbers of the drugs addict in the state, and also give the numbers of successful cases being treated in these centers.
So as far as the latest surveys indicate, there would be roughly almost 3 lakh numbers of drug addicts in the state. And as far as treatment is concerned, all of the patients referred to these centers are treated as per their condition, and they would be released from these centers based on recommendations by the professional doctors.